فالنتاينز قرروا الشركة إنه يجيبوا أكبر قلب بالعالم.
صراحة فليت.
I scored a double kick on Hussam. Sorry Hussam, I have to say.
Okay, go.
Agile way of working, flexibility, open communication, we adapt to change.
The environment in CME, it's not something that you can find anywhere.
You don't really feel like working. You do what you love. بيسمعوا لك.
I do love the trusting environment.
It's the feeling of ownership because I get to make suggestions.
The coffee, I'm kidding. They take good care of us. Whenever something is bothering you, you go to management and they actually listen.
I feel like عن جد I belong here.
Growing into something bigger than what I thought I would be doing here.
Big names, big companies. We tried every new technology possible.
The ability to grow my career path. كمان كثير بلاقي حالي حتى على الصعيد الشخصي. Diversity اللي بسيامي هي أكثر شيء بحبه.
There's no day like the other. So every day we have a new problem and we fix it. Actually, it's very challenging, it's very nice. People are super cool, so it's a good place.
You're trying to build beautiful things سوا. بس مش إنه بس أنا جاي على الشغل وطلع على البيت. This is why رجعت من 2016 و I'm not planning to leave again.
I feel like my career is being developed the way I want it to be.
قدرت أعمل عائلة وجيب توينز، أقضي وقت معهم وبذات الوقت ما أقصر بشغلي.
As long as I can start from zero on projects, be creative, give my creative input, I'm sticking around.
Even though I feel different, I feel like we mesh well together. هيك.
بدنا نبقى بلبنان ولوكالي CME عم تعطينا هذا الشيء.
It's a support system basically, this company for me.
I love Beirut, I like the city, I like the people. I prefer to be here than somewhere else.
Can live a good life here. I'm close to my family. This is what CME gives me.
في family و friends وفي شغل منيح.